In this video, I will show you how to join ByBit Referral Program. So if you aren't started yet on ByBit, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn yourself a nice welcome bonus. Anyway, let's dive into this video right now by clicking on the profile icon at the top left from our home screen. And from here, we're going to click on Invite Friends. And in here, we are accessing the referral program of ByBit. And as you can see, you can invite friends to earn over $1,717 and 30% commission on trades that your referrals are making. So in order to start, it's really easy. You just have to scroll down and then you see my referral link. Then you just copy that to your clipboard and then you can use this link anywhere you like. And down below, you see this dashboard where you can get more information about your referrals and possible commissions. You can also click on Invite Friends button down below, and then you can start sharing links through social media platforms. So there are also challenges and multiple rewards in here. So it starts with this, inviting new friends to ByBit. Then it will start with one invitee, but then you will build this up. And when you receive bonuses, you will eventually get more and more rewards. So the basic commission fee is 20%, but this can also build up to even 30%. So this is really nice and this works really well. So if you haven't started yet with ByBit, go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free with a nice welcome bonus. And anyway, I wish you good luck in the referral program. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.